Let's go with the breakfast of champion. Plantains pancakes or pancakes de amarillo. This actually originated in West Africa like Ghana, and it was moving to the Americas. And this is going to be delicious with a personal touch, of course. And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. These plantains are very ripe. See the color? So you're going to peel them first. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now it comes the blender. Add the plantains there to the blender. And then couple eggs. Because you're going to blend these babies, okay? Now you're going to blend them, okay? Add a little bit of cinnamon. Personal touch. Some vanilla extract, okay? Just a few drops. Give it a character. Blend again. If they are too watery, you can add a little bit of all-purpose flour. I don't need a lot because the thickness is perfect on this one, but add a tiny bit. Whip them good. Unsalted butter. Use a non-stick pan too, by the way. And I have this heat medium, maybe a couple notches below medium, okay? You can use an ice cream scoop, or you can use a spoon. What you're going to do, you're going to put them here. And you're going to let them cook, okay? It's about maybe 2 or 3 minutes in one side first. Then you're going to flip them, okay? And now you're going to cook the other side for about half the time. Let's make it 2 or 3 minutes, okay? So after a couple minutes on the other side, maybe even a minute, see how it looks? Time to put them aside and go for the next ones. Here we have them. Look at the texture. Pancake de plátano o de amarillos. Plantain pancakes. Look at these babies. You can go with syrup or you can go with honey. Look at this baby. Look at these babies, huh? Let's go with honey. Let's go with honey. See how they cut? So easy and delicious. Look at this baby. The breakfast of champions.